I'm gonna what's he up to in the shop. I'm letting her run, just running some gasoline through her. Fresh oil, fresh coolant. It's running. That's all I need to say about that, or I can say about that. It's a Triumph off-road can, which is admittedly extremely blown out. We did launch a mud dauber's nest all the way across the street though. That was pretty cool. But I've been letting her idle. I'll give her a few revs and I'll shut it off and I'll fire it back up, let it idle, a few revs, shut it off. So that's kind of the procedure right now. But she's running.